Notice that here I have another basis set. Is it similar to the basis set I have? Well, as I said, the way to determine if it is a basis set is for you to look at the behavior of the winning x. So here the behavior of the winning x is horizontal and not the same way as the winning x we had before. If you remember, it was a diagonal, as you can see. The winning set of before, see, is all of these are like diagonal wins, and now what I'm aiming for is a horizontal win. So let me write down all the quarter rotations, and actually mathematically quarter rotations are known as C4 rotations, and flipping across the y-axis is called a C2y rotation. And actually the quarter rotation is called a C4z rotation, and the reflection along the x-axis is called a C2x, and the reflection diagonally, it's either a C2xy or a C2yx. So we have four. This is a Z. We have 4 rotations and 4 possible reflections. Sometimes not all of them can be used because the resulting reflection or rotation just leads to the same thing. So alright, I'm gonna try and make all the possible rotations and all the possible rotations here, all the C4s here, and all the C2s here. Let's see what I get. Alright, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 for the C4, and now I'll do the C2s. This is for the flipping using the y-axis. This is the flipping using the x-axis. And notice that nothing looks alike. So nice roll. This is a reflection using this axis, the y-axis, and finally this is a rotation across the y-axis. Just right here. So notice that x0 is right there, so these 2 x's would flip, the circles and x would flip, and this x and circle would flip. Alright, that's correct. And look at it. All of it are different and all of it wins by a particular behavior of x, which is either vertical or horizontal. So horizontal there, vertical here, vertical there, horizontal here, vertical here, horizontal here, horizontal here, and everything following the same behavior. So this is another distinct, this entire thing has one behavior of winning, which is horizontal and vertical, and belongs to this particular basis set.